Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I will teach you class 8th science chapter 2 health and diseases. What is health? Health is defined as a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Health is a state of being free from sickness or illness. To remain healthy, you should wash your hands properly with soap or hand wash. Do regular exercise daily. Spend time to walk at evening at least half an hour. Eat healthy food like fruits and vegetables. Sleep at least 6 to 8 hours at night. Drink 4 to 5 liters of water every day. Next, we'll talk about disease. What is disease? Disease is defined as a condition of disturbances in physiological or psychological processes of body. Disease means sickness or illness. Types of diseases. There are many diseases as we have already heard. All kinds of diseases are very dangerous if you are not taking immediate treatment to doctors. We are going to study three main types of diseases. Number 1, infectious diseases. Number 2, non-infectious diseases. Number 3, hereditary diseases. What is infectious diseases? Definition is given on textbook page number 7. Diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food or vectors, insects and other animals are called as infectious diseases. On table here, name of diseases, pathogen, mode of infection, symptoms, prevention and treatment is given. First one is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a serious infectious bacterial disease. It usually attacks your lungs. Mode of infection can be spitting by patient through hair, prolonged contact with and sharing of materials of patient. If you are collecting any material things of infected person, it can suffer this problem or it can suffer through air. The symptoms can be chronic cough, bloody spitting, emaciation. Emaciation means weakness or difficult breathing. These are the four main symptoms of tuberculosis. Look at this patient. This patient is continuously coughing without any break. If you are continuously coughing without any break, blood comes out from your throat and you start spitting blood. Prevention and treatment can be BCG vaccine, isolation of patient, regular medication like DOT. In this kind of disease, doctor will give you regular medicines or you have to take vaccines also till the doctor tell you. Next one is hepatitis, which means jaundice. Pathogen are hepatitis virus A, B, C, D and E. Hepatitis virus, which means jaundice, is a liver disease caused by contaminated water, sharing of needles and blood transfusion. In hepatitis virus, your liver gets attacked. Your skin will be yellow in color in jaundice. Symptoms are anorexia, which means loss of taste, yellow urine, general weakness, nausea. Nausea means you feel like vomiting where there is pain in the stomach. vomiting, and grey stool. These all are symptoms of jaundice. You may also experience the symptom like yellow eyes in jaundice. Prevention and treatment will be: you should drink boiled water. You should wash hands properly with soap and with hand wash. There should also be a proper storage of food with boiled water. Next one is dysentery. Dysentery is an infectious disease of intestine caused by contaminated food and water. Pathogens are bacteria, virus, Shigella, bacilli, and amoeba and histolytica. This is an image of dysentery. Dysentery causes inflammation of the intestines. Symptoms are watery stool, which means loose motion, pains in abdomen. In dysentery disease, you will have very high pain in stomach or in abdomen. Look at this patient suffering from dysentery. This is an ant amoeba, histolytica, and protozoan infection in large intestine image. Prevention and treatment should be: you should drink boiled water. There should be proper storage of food. You should avoid eating outside making food. Outside making food, people are making any kind of oily food sometimes. Some oily foods are not good for your health. ORS consumption. ORS stand for oral rehydration solutions. Next one is cholera. Cholera is a bacterial disease caused by contaminated food and water. Pathogens are Vibrio cholerae in bracket bacterium. It is also an intestinal disease. This is an image of cholera. Symptoms are vomiting, severe diarrhea, cramps in legs. In cholera, there is continuous vomiting or loose motion in a day. If you are not taking immediate treatment to doctor, cholera can cause you death. It is a deadly disease. Prevention and treatment are following hygienic practices: avoiding open place food. You should drink boiled water. There is a vaccination against cholera if cholera is very dangerous or deadly. You should put sanitizer also, and you should wash your hands properly with soap and hand wash. Next one is typhoid. Pathogen are Salmonella typhi in bracket bacterium. Typhoid is an infectious disease of intestine. It is a bacterial disease caused by contamination of food and water. Symptoms are anorexia, which means loss of taste, headache, rash on abdomen, dysentery, fever up to 104 degree Fahrenheit. 104 degree fever means very high fever when you see in thermometer. Look at an image. This is rashes. Prevention and treatment should be: you should drink clean water or boiled water. There is a vaccination against typhoid. There should be proper disposal of sewage, means there should be proper arrangement of wastewater. Next, we are going to study some important infectious diseases of present days. Number 1, dengue. Mosquitoes lay the eggs in waterlogged places and the population of mosquitoes increases. There are different species of mosquitoes. Different species of mosquitoes will spread different types of diseases. Dengue virus is spread by Aedes aegypti. This is an image of Aedes aegypti mosquito. Aedes aegypti mosquito, called yellow fever mosquito, is an infected mosquito. This only mosquito will spread the dengue disease to humans. There are totally 4 types of dengue viruses: Den 1, Den 2, Den 3 and Den 4 virus. All these 4 types of dengue viruses from Den 1 to Den 4 virus belonging to the type flavivirus. Symptoms are acute fever and headache, vomiting, pains in eye socket is very important symptom. You also have joint pain also. Then decrease in platelet count that may lead to internal hemorrhage. Other symptoms also are given. You may have rashes on your body. You just notice and observe how mosquito bites on your hands and sucks blood. Next, I will talk about malaria. Malaria is spread by female Anopheles mosquito, while elephantiasis is spread by female Culex mosquito. Anopheles and Aedes grow in clean water, while Culex mosquito grows in dirty sewage water. This is Anopheles female mosquito and this is Culex mosquito. Culex mosquito looks like cockroach. Culex mosquito will spread the disease of encephalitis. Symptoms are headache, fever, body ache, rash and joint pain. Culex mosquitoes will also spread the disease of elephantiasis. Elephantiasis disease means your legs will become like an elephant. Anopheles mosquito bite causes the spread of malaria. Symptoms of malaria are headache, fever, fatigue, which means tiredness, pain, back pain, chills, sweating. You may have dry cough in respiratory in symptom of malaria. Enlargement, nausea and vomiting. All these are symptoms of malaria. Now I will show you an image of elephantiasis. This is an image of elephantiasis disease. See both of his legs becoming and growing like an elephant. Next one is swine flu. What are the reasons of infection? Infection for swine flu occurs through pigs and humans. Viruses of swine flu are spread through secretions of nose, throat and saliva. Swine flu is a pig disease transmitted to humans. It is also called H1N1 virus. H1N1 virus means influenza of pig virus. It is a strain of pig virus. Symptoms of swine flu are difficulty in breathing, sore throat, body pains. Here only 3 symptoms are given. There are more symptoms of swine flu that I am going to show you. This is other symptoms of swine flu. Fever is there, runny nose, sore throat, muscles pain, joints pain, loss of taste, which means lack of appetite, coughing, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and lethargy, which means loss of energy. All these are symptoms of swine flu. Swine flu diseases are found in pigs in pig farming. For diagnosis of swine flu, liquid from throat of patient is sent in laboratory. Diagnostic facilities are available in Pune and Delhi. Next one is AIDS. AIDS stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. AIDS disease is caused by HIV. HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. HIV virus is a virus that attacks your immunity system in your body. Immunity system helps to fight other infectious diseases. In this disease, people suffer from various kinds of diseases symptoms. If HIV is not treated properly, it leads to AIDS. HIV AIDS comes from species of monkeys or chimpanzees, and later it is transmitted to human beings. HIV and AIDS virus comes first in Congo in African continent in the year 1920 from the species of monkeys or chimpanzees. Symptoms of acute HIV infection are fever, chills, headaches, night sweats, sore throat, muscle aches and pains, joint pain, fatigue, which means tiredness, swollen lymph nodes mainly on the neck, and mouth ulcers. All these are symptoms of HIV virus. This is an ELISA test. ELISA test is used for HIV virus to detect and to measure antibodies in your blood. Next one is rabies. Rabies is a viral disease occurs through the bite of the infected dog, rabbit, monkey or cat. Virus enters the brain via neurons. Rabies virus may infect or attack the central nervous system in your brain and in your spinal cord. Hydrophobia is one of the important symptoms of this disease. Hydrophobia means fear of water. In hydrophobia, you will have difficulty in swallowing to drink water, and therefore you will have fear of water to drink, and this is the meaning of hydrophobia. Rabies is very dangerous or deadly. However, fatality can be prevented by timely vaccination before onset of symptoms. If you are not taking rabies vaccines within 24 hours, and it can lead to very dangerous, and the symptoms start to appear within 90 or 175 days of dog bite. Rabies disease is also called mad dog bite disease. I will show you an example of dog video. Remember to walk carefully on the road or to play with dogs. Once the dog turns mad, it is very dangerous or harmful because mad dog attack like wild animals. Mad dog doesn't stay in one place. They keep on running. When the mad dog bites to other normal dogs, the normal dogs turns to mad if they are not taking vaccine. When the mad dog bites two human beings, and if the human beings will not start taking vaccines of mad dog bites within 24 hours, rabies virus will be very severe, and after few days human beings start to bark like dogs and can cause to death. Very deadly disease and very dangerous. Remember these points what I am telling you. Symptoms of rabies are: stage 1, you have headache, heat, loss of appetite, weakness or tiredness, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, cough and runny nose. In second stage, you have aggression, photosensitivity, cramps and fear. And in third stage, paralysis of the eye muscles, salivations from the mouth, limb paralysis and hydrophobia. All these are 3 stages of the symptoms of rabies. One thing you have to remember: when you keep pet dogs at home, you should take care against mad dog. Next one is, you are going to study non-infectious diseases. Definition is given on textbook page number 10. Diseases which do not occur through infections and body contacts are called as non-infectious diseases. Non-infectious diseases is not like infectious diseases because it doesn't spread. Such diseases arise in human body itself due to certain reasons. Number 1, cancer. Cancer is a disease in which body cell grows abnormally and uncontrollably. Group or lump of cancerous cells is called as malignant tumor. This is an image of malignant tumors where lump of cancerous cells grows in your blood. There are different types of cancers occurs in various organs in your body, namely skin cancer, mouth cancer, throat cancer, lung cancer, breast cancer and blood cancer. What are the causes and reasons of cancers? I am going to tell you. Many people buy and uses tobacco, gutka, which means pan masala, and cigarette for smoking. Smoking is injurious to health because smoking causes air damages in your lungs and a small tumor is formed in your lungs and it causes lung cancer. Mouth cancer, throat cancer and lung cancer is caused by smoking. Tobacco is the main reason of the cause of cancer because tobacco contains more than 1000 or 7000 chemicals and it causes all different types of cancers in your body. Drinking alcohol is also the reason of the cause of cancer because too much of drinking is harmful for your health. Many people buy and uses to drink alcohol. Too much of drinking causes liver problems and stomach cancer. Eating pizza also is the reason of the cause of cancer because in pizza they are adding unhealthy food item like pepperoni. Pepperoni item is not good for your health and it causes cancer. Symptoms are chronic cough, hoarse voice, which means harsh voice, difficulty in swallowing, incurable scare and inflammation, lumps in breast, unexplained weight loss. This is the scare. Okay, scare means mark left on the skin. A person suffering from chicken pox is having so much of scars on the body. To cure cancer, you should do physical exercise like yoga. Chemotherapy is useful for diagnosis of cancer. Patient receives treatment to destroy blood forming cells. Next one, diabetes. The hormone insulin produced in pancreas controls the level of sugar glucose in blood. If insulin is secreted in low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled. This disorder is called as diabetes. Diabetes is a metabolic or hereditary disease that causes high sugar blood. When you have blood glucose or high sugar blood, it is diabetes. Blood glucose is the main source of energy as they are coming from food. Hormone insulin moves sugar from the blood into your cell. This is the cell. This is diabetes test machine and it is called glucometer. When you put glucometer on your finger, little blood comes out, and after that you count the reading of diabetes number. To check the diabetes, your number should be less than 140 mg. Here in image 105 mg is given. That means the diabetes is in control and blood sugar level is normal. Now I will show you short video of 19 seconds. The man is putting glucometer on his finger to check and to count the number reading of diabetes, and little blood is coming out on his finger. Symptoms which cannot be ignored in diabetes are frequent urination at night, which means you are going to toilet again and again to pass urine at night. Increased obesity or weight loss. This is obesity. Obesity means fatness or abnormal fat. In diabetes, you have the symptom of increased fatness or there is weight loss also. Reasons for diabetes: heredity, obesity, lack of physical exercise and mental stress. You should do regular exercise daily to bring the diabetes under control. Yoga is very important to do regular physical exercise daily. Other main symptoms of diabetes also is given over here. That is central excessive thirst. You are feeling thirsty again and again. Eyes blurred vision. Your eyes is blurred. Can't see properly. Rapid weight loss. Breath is smell of acetone. Smell is coming off breath. Gastric, nausea, vomiting. Urinary excessive. Respiratory deep and labored breathing pattern. These all are main symptoms of diabetes. To control the diabetes, you should avoid eating sugary things like chocolates, cream cake, biscuits and other sweet things like jaggery and fruits. You can watch the videos about diabetes on internet where there is time. Next, heart diseases. What is heart diseases? Heart diseases is a disease that causes cardiovascular problems. Efficiency of the heart decreases due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscles. Due to this, heart has to perform more work that leads to stress on it. This may cause heart attack. Do you know how heart attack is caused? Heart attack is caused due to very high blood pressure. This is sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer is used to measure blood pressure. 120 number is your pressure is normal and 80 number is pulse rate. This is heartbeat, heart pulse monitor, where it was kept in hospitals to check the heartbeat by the patients suffering from various diseases. What are the misuse of medicines? You should not take medicines without doctor's permission. Otherwise, what will happen? It will get side effects on your body. Yeah, example also is given. Overdose of painkillers may damage nervous system, excretory system, liver, etc. Overdose of antibiotics may lead to nausea, stomach ache, dysentery, rash, white patches on tongue, etc. All these kinds of diseases will get if there is overdose of antibiotics or overdose of painkillers. Remember this. You should always take medicines by asking doctor's permission. Okay. Next is generic medicines. Generic medicines is also called general medicines. These medicines will get in medicine or general stores. This type of medicines will get at very cheap rate, not expensive. Next is lifestyle and diseases. To remain healthy, you should sleep early at night and wake up early in the morning. When you sleep late at night or wake up early in the morning, this is the reason of to get sickness. You should do yoga exercise daily like pranayam and all. And this type of exercise is very healthy and safe from all kinds of diseases. If you understood health and disease chapter, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.